as the agency mandated to conduct the SIM registration, there are many options that we would like to ask or to impose sa telecommunication companies kung okay lang nila. One is to incentivize, no? Incentivize in the sense that kung magparehistro ka, you will be given 3 gigabytes or 4 gigabytes of kanang data, no? Just like sa atong vaccination system bitaw sa gawas, kung magpa-vaccinated, magpa-vaccine ka na kay $50, daghan gina at least incentivize, inform at least kaning mga non-registered nga mga subscribers, at least siguro once a week, so they will have a wake-up call that they need to register.
Ang gibuhat sad nato is kato atong strong partnership with mga LGUs. We translated our advisories, our art cards to local dialects in order nga daghag maabot nga sa area sa ato kay kabaluta online naman tanan ng uban nga at least makita nila ang push nato.
For Globe, I do agree that it's good to incentivize LGU partnerships as well to push ang registration, and another thing is to ensure that it's hassle-free ang pag-register, no? So I think one of the main deterrent lang for people not to register is the lack of urgency. So we are actually partnering with NTC as well to put up some sites in government covered courts to ensure na even those mga lagyo in far-flung areas can come down and register their SIM cards. Kaya, as mentioned ni Atty. a while ago, many users are still using the basic keypad, no?